Alright, we're going out. The 6 is almost done. James, I won't get to see you, but hopefully someone gets a video of you. But we're going out on a mission.
You're going to show your dad up though,
So what's in this? 347. Stroker. In an EB Falcon. That's crazy. We're up next.
Red light. If you can't see it because it's down the smoke, there's red flags each corner. Do what you do. Come on.
Did it get hot, Mish? Did it get hot?
I lost the oil filler cap again. It's oil everywhere.
I'm covered in rubber.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, spill it. You've made a mess.
Hey?
You've made a good mess.
I have.
Did you blow them both? Both? Yeah. Pretty sure. That's one way to kill a set of tyres, tell you that much. burnouts are done. That was my first time actually in a burnout car. Shout out to Shane, shout out to Mish for Mish actually sponsors the burnouts out there, so MALLALA burnouts or Adelaide burnouts, depends what you go off and buy. So Mish actually sponsored that event. Other sponsors as well for jumping on board. It makes an event like that go really smooth. I was actually pretty impressed with how many people were driving. Apparently sixes sold out in 7 minutes. Just shows the level of interest in burnouts. The whole grass was full. There was families. There was like a hot donut stand. Obviously the canteen. It was super cool to see such an event that it was really good for me, because I don't usually go out to car events and you know, like meets, and the only thing I really do is cars and coffee. So it's good because I break out of my comfort zone, change up the content a little bit, and also have a good time doing it. Shout out to Mish, shout out to Shane for just, yeah, you're always rocking up and putting on the best show. I think Mish actually came 5th. You would have just seen Shane's and Mish's final skid. They both got past eliminations into the finals, and then Mish came 5th, so, which is good. So both of those cars are so cool. I'd love to do like a bit more of a build breakdown on both of those cars, because they are street cars, but they're built to do that, and they just, those cars, it makes me really want to put some interest into burnouts, because I see what fun they have. But for me personally, I think it's over too quickly. So you wait all day, you get a minimum of 2 skids. So you get your first practice skid, which was wet for half of the 6s, which is not MALLALA's fault. It's not Adelaide Burnout's fault. It's just the way it happens. Rain dictates everything. So you get one 90-second skid, like a practice skid, and then you get a second elimination skid. So you'll pretty well skid for elimination, you'll get judged on your skids. If they thought you did well, you'd move on to the finals, and then obviously your final is your final skid, and then it's first, second, third, fourth, 5th. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe for more, because I really want to do a little bit more of that. That was really cool. I didn't really engage as much as I probably wanted to throughout the video, but I'm glad you, if you made it this far, obviously you enjoyed it. So hope you like the skids, because I enjoyed them. And shout out to all the guys and all the sponsors that put that event together. You really nailed it. So we'll see you in the next one, guys.